Meet ExamPazz, your personal AI study assistant. First, just select your subject from the syllabus. Whether it's OL, AS, or AL, everything is covered. Now type in your question, and the AI gives you instant, accurate answers based on your subject's textbook and study material. It's like having your own tutor 24/7. Got a past paper you're stuck on? Just upload it. You can ask questions directly from the paper, and the AI gives you answers fast. No more guessing or searching endlessly. ExamPazz helps you understand exactly why the answer is right. You also get access to a full library of essential resources, past papers, textbooks, tutorials, and more. And for deeper learning, there are online courses designed to guide you through your subject step by step, built to match your syllabus and goals. Sign up now and enjoy 30 days free. Study smarter with ExamPazz, the future of exam prep.